Welcome to this special Istanbul walking tour, 2025 on the third day of Eid. Today we'll explore the vibrant streets of Istanbul, experiencing the festive atmosphere, stunning landmarks, and rich culture of this incredible city. Let's begin. As we walk through Sultanahmet Square, you can see the stunning Hagia Sophia on one side and the magnificent Blue Mosque on the other. Both are iconic symbols of Istanbul, attracting visitors from all over the world. The area is bustling with families and tourists enjoying the holiday vibes. Next, we head towards the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. It's the perfect place to experience the true spirit of Istanbul, with its colorful shops, aromatic spices, and handcrafted souvenirs. Our journey continues along the Bosphorus, where the breathtaking waterfront views add to the beauty of this special Eid day. People are out enjoying boat rides, delicious street food, and the pleasant spring weather.
I don't know if it's possible to sit somewhere.
That brings us to the end of our Eid third day walking tour in Istanbul. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the heart of the city. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel experiences. See you in the next adventure.